Hi, my name is Zeus Kang. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Husby.com. In this video, Husby University presents When Should I Do an Open House? Open houses are a great way to market your property and offer an opportunity for prospective buyers to come see the house in person. You're far more likely to get an offer after hosting an open house than if you don't. It is an optimal way to show your house to more people in a very short period of time versus doing one-off showings. Open houses are typically held on weekends as most people are off work. Have a look online to see when other people in your area are hosting open houses, or you may have even noticed open house signs in your neighborhood on particular days of the week. There are certain advantages to having open houses when others are, simply because more buyers are out house hunting. But that's not to say that you can't have more open houses throughout the week and weekend to get maximized exposure. Just be sure to schedule your open house and date and time on your listing on Husby.com so that buyers are aware that you're hosting an open house.